y'all, it's Courtney with It's Jerky, y'all, and I'm here with a special recipe for you. Chicken fried steak waffles with a jalapeno gravy. What? We made it with It's Jerky, y'all's black pepper and sea salt. And as you can see, it turned out really well. And we made it with a special jalapeno pepper gravy, and then not just any waffles, guys. We made it with a biscuit dough instead. We went ahead and got everything ready for you guys. So we got this tender pieces of jerky here, all crispy. Did the jalapeno gravy, got it nice and ready. So now we just have to make the waffles. So waffle iron is hot and ready. Let's make these biscuit waffles, guys. So we're gonna do just enough for one biscuit. So get a whole spoonful here and just put it right in the middle of your waffle iron. Really make sure to flatten it out so when you do press it, it's got a nice wick to it. Do about 3 to 4 minutes. So now that the biscuit waffles are done, hot and ready, we're gonna assemble our creation here. So get some of those nice crispy pieces, stack them up real high. All right, now for the gravy. All right. Well, we hope you enjoy this country fried creation. Bon appetit, y'all.